Now, let's look at one of the example. I want to highlight something. Okay. Let's say, let's look at B. Okay. For B. Now, Mn minus 2Mr minus 3Rn plus 6R squared. Okay. Now, what you do is, let's say we group Mn minus 2Mr. Okay. Let's say we put 6R squared minus 3Rn. Okay. We put them into another pair. Now, then from here we take out the common factor, which is m minus 2r. Okay. Now the common factor here is 3r. We end up with 2r minus n. Okay. Now that is n minus 2r, and then this is not n minus 2r, but 2r minus n. Therefore, this and this are not the same. Therefore, they don't have a common factor. So if you work it out until this stage, you end up two of them are not the same, then you cannot proceed. So what you have to do is, when you are facing this problem, what you do is go back to the original equation, I mean the mathematical expression. Instead of putting 6r squared as the third term, let's put 3rn as the third term. Minus 3rn bracket as the third term. Why we go wrong? We doesn't get a common factor. It's the arrangement of the term. Okay, if you come across where you don't have a common factor between these two, then what you have to do, you go back to the original mathematical expression, reorganize, change the fourth term that you write here into the third term, and then the third term become the fourth term. Now, you know this 6r squared, when you put in the bracket, make sure you still end up with 6r squared. Okay, so you have a negative here, you must put a negative here. 6r squared. Okay, if you take negative times negative, you end up with positive. So basically, you didn't change the sign. Remember, you have to, after you if whatever you bracket, if you must multiply it back to see whether you get the original mathematical expression. Okay, now, so after you have rearranged it, okay, now, what is the common factor, which is 3r, so you end up with n minus 2r. Okay, there you are, you have the same common factor. So therefore, you can proceed to the next step. Take out the common factor, which is n minus 2r. The remaining is m here. The remaining here is minus 3r. Okay, that's it. This is the intention of when you come across where you cannot find a common factor, you have to go backward and rearrange the position of the term and then redo it again. Definitely you will be able to find a common factor at this stage. Okay, with that you can actually factorize the four-term expression. Okay, make sure you follow this step. If you couldn't find the common factor, okay, you have to retract. I mean, you go backward and change the fourth term to become the third term, and the third term become the fourth term. Definitely after that, you will be able to find a common factor as in this case. That's it.